reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can crochet your hair, and if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, one thing I will tell you before doing your crochet is that the braids are not supposed to be tighter, because if the braids are too tight or the cornrows are too tight, when you do the crochet, after you do the crochet, it's going to be painful, especially when you insert the crochet hook in the braid or in the cornrows. It's going to be painful. So just make sure the braids are not tight before you crochet them. Doesn't have to be like clear, like the scalp doesn't have to be like that neat and clear, because as you can see mine, it's not that clear, but it's okay and it's not painful. So just don't do your braids too tight or your cornrows too tight. That is one tip that you're supposed to know before doing your crochet. So if you haven't watched my previous video on how I did these braids, kindly check the description box down below. And my hair is 4C and it's very thick, that's why you can see like it's not that clear as well. So if your hair is soft, you can make it clear and neat at the same time, but just don't make it too tight. Yeah, this is the hair I'm going to use. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. There are 28 pieces in one pack. I bought it at 700 shillings. I'm going to use 3 packets. So guys, I'm not a pro when it comes to crochet braids, but one thing I know about crochet is that it can mess up with your edges, especially if the braids are too tight and the crochet braids are too big. It can mess up with your edges, so just be careful. Don't do crochet style like 2 consecutive months. This is where I was telling you, if the braids are too tight, inserting the latch hook through and then pulling the crochet braids through the braid, it's going to be painful. So just be careful when it comes to braiding it. I'm going to crochet them 2 fingers apart just to make sure they're evenly distributed, and also to make sure the 3 packs fit on the entire head. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.